Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show how to fix Messenger not sending messages. Watch the end to know about the technique, and please click on subscribe and notification bell to not miss any update from us. So to fix your Messenger not sending messages, you have to first go to your settings here. You have to go to your apps here. You have to search for Messenger and click on Messenger. We have to click on permissions here, and we have to allow all these stuffs. Okay, then we have to go back and go to data uses. We have to allow all these options here. You can go to force stuff here and click on OK, and after that you can go to your home page and you have to restart your phone by clicking on restart. And now you can check the problem is fixed or not, and if not, then you can again try the same procedure. And there is another way to fix Messenger not sending messages. You can just click on Messenger and to uninstall it and again reinstall it. In this way you can fix your Messenger not sending messages. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.